Are you struggling to create a captivating HTML5 game that truly engages players and stands out? Building a full-featured roguelite survivor game from scratch can be incredibly complex and time-consuming, demanding expertise in coding, design, and optimization. Imagine launching your next successful title without months of development, starting instead with a fun, proven, and ready-to-customize template. Introducing Tavern Survivors, the complete HTML5 game made with Construct 3, offering an exhilarating action roguelite survivor experience. Inspired by popular hits like Vampire Survivors, this fully functional template is designed for developers and entrepreneurs to quickly launch their next hit. With Tavern Survivors, you receive the full Construct 3 project file, making it incredibly easy to dive in and customize. Reskin the game effortlessly by changing fonts, images, and sounds to match your unique vision and brand. Its responsive HTML5 design ensures perfect gameplay on both mobile and desktop devices, adapting flawlessly to any screen size in stunning Full HD at 1920 by 1080. Players will be hooked by the core loop of surviving relentless waves of diverse enemies, from normal foes to challenging elites and epic bosses. Collect gold and experience points to level up your hero, unlocking powerful new weapons, skills, and strategic power-ups. The intuitive controls support both touch and mouse or keyboard inputs, ensuring a smooth and accessible experience for everyone. Every aspect of Tavern Survivors is optimized for performance, guaranteeing fluid gameplay across various devices. The well-commented code means you can easily understand and modify any part of the game to suit your specific needs. Plus, it's AdMob ready, providing a straightforward path to monetize your creation right from the start. Tavern Survivors gives you a robust foundation with a compelling hero leveling system, dynamic enemy types, and a rewarding progression loop. Don't miss the chance to accelerate your game development and enter the booming HTML5 market with a high-quality game. Get Tavern Survivors today and bring your dream game to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. Find the link to purchase this incredible asset in the description below and start building your next success.